ran up to him and thought that he was staring at me, and I was thinking with my emotions instead of using my head, thinking properly.
All right, thank you for letting me know. All right, any other questions?
Not from the state judge.
None for the defense.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to find you guilty. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Taking consideration NIMAG number 760070. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be restitution, if any, to Andoni, Andoni Valadares, Jose Aguilar, and no contact with Adoni Valadares and Jose Aguilar. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. I'm going to tell you, your plea bargain agreement was the state was for a cap of 6 years in the prison silent. And I will tell you, I was at the 6 end, but I listened to you. And I understand your age. I understand the alcohol that was involved. I understand the influence that other people had on you. That's why I sentenced you to the minimum. But I have to also balance that with the fact that here you have someone who wasn't doing anything other than just living their life, and they're in the hospital unconscious, beaten with a metal pole. And I can assure you, I'm sure that was probably very painful for them. And then I don't know if they have brain damage or not, but when you couple that with the other friend who was with you, who then pointed a gun at somebody and then firing shots in the air, sure, that was very terrifying for them. So I understand that 2 years is a lot. You're young. You came in. I do appreciate your coming in. I do appreciate the improvements you made in your life, but sometimes there's punishment in rehabilitation. So you can still live your life when you go to prison. Don't become institutionalized, okay? All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
And we have the court return jurisdiction.